Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is the future through the fortune of Tzuyu. At the request of an overseas YouTube subscriber, I analyzed Tsuyu's future. First, let's take a brief look at Tsuyu's fortune and analyze her future. She has a beautiful and brilliant fortune. The letter referring to herself is negative fire. It is analyzed that negative fire is often compared to candlelight and has a thoughtful and calm personality. If light is the sun, then candle is heat. So she is always warm-hearted. The part of Tsuyu's fortune that I noticed was a pink circle. These letters mean popularity, and there are as many as 3. She gets people's attention, love, and attention wherever she goes. And the next thing to note in Tsuyu's fortune is that the use of letters is very useful. In the direction of a red arrow, there is a sense of control. In the direction of the blue arrow, there is an energy of support and help. The flow of energy is highly utilized and the use of letters is greatly enhanced. As a result, Tzuyu is gathering a lot of money and popularity as a result of her activities. It's a very good fortune. And her job role is a fortune that makes her money, popularity, and happiness with her efforts because she has a strong entrepreneurial spirit. Then, what is the future of Tzuyu? Tzuyu was so lucky from 17 to 26. It's good luck to sign a contract with an agency that suits her well, and to catch both popularity and money. When lucky, women get married or get a good job, but Tzuyu chose to sign a contract with a good organization, not marriage. There were probably a lot of men following her. And then, between the age of 27 and 36, there may be some ups and downs in life. She should never be greedy at this time of year when she may have problems with men, with her agents, or with her business. And I don't think it would be very good to get married at this time. Therefore, I hope she will pass this chance well by paying late fees and so on, because it's a legal matter to have luck. So she can make a similar problem and move on. And then good luck always again. It is clear that there is a time limit for idol singers' entertainment activities. After 37 years of age, seeing that activity fade, but it's still good luck. Maybe it's time to own many buildings with the money she earns from her activities. I think she will spend a good time at a time when she will realize her happy life. And in her early 60s, she's lucky enough to immigrate. Now, if she came to Korea and were active due to the luck of making a new start, she might be able to move abroad in her early 60s. Tsuyu's fortune is so strong and has a good structure that she is happy for life and has no worries about her wealth. If she gets over her problems in her late 20s, well, she will have no trouble for life. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.